Picture this. It's the day of your presentation. You step onto the podium, adjust the microphone, and take a deep breath. As you make eye contact with the audience, you notice a sea of unfamiliar faces staring back at you. In that moment, your confidence starts to waver. You begin to question whether or not you're qualified to be there. Doubts creep into your mind. Can I do this? Am I prepared enough? These negative thoughts can be overwhelming, causing you to stumble through your speech, forgetting what you had planned to say, maybe even losing your place on the slides. The result? A less than stellar presentation that doesn't land as well as you had hoped. Sound familiar? If so, don't worry. You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, effective communication skills are more important than ever before. Whether it's presenting in front of colleagues, pitching ideas to clients, or simply expressing yourself in a group setting, we all have to communicate publicly from time to time. But despite its importance, public speaking is often a skill that's overlooked and under-practiced. So how can you become a confident and engaging public speaker in just 30 days? Keep watching because in this video, we will share with you a 30-day plan to help you master public speaking. Let's get started. Day 1 to 7. Know your audience. Knowing your audience is perhaps one of the most important aspects of public speaking. Without understanding who you're talking to, it's difficult to tailor your message and delivery in a way that resonates with your listeners. Take some time before your presentation to learn as much as you can about your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and expectations? What level of knowledge do they have on the topic at hand? This will help you to craft a message that is relevant and interesting to them. Additionally, consider the size of the audience and the physical space when planning your presentation. A small, intimate gathering will require a different approach than a large conference or webinar. By taking the time to understand your audience, you'll be able to deliver a more impactful and memorable presentation. Day 8 to 14, join a public speaking group. One of the best ways to improve your public speaking skills is by joining a public speaking group such as Toastmasters International. This organization provides a supportive and encouraging environment for individuals to develop their speaking abilities. As a member, you'll have the opportunity to practice your speeches in front of a live audience and receive constructive feedback from experienced mentors. Public speaking groups offer a safe space to try new things, step out of your comfort zone, and build confidence in your abilities. They also provide a great network of like-minded individuals who can support and encourage you on your journey to becoming a better speaker. So if you want to take your public speaking skills to the next level, consider joining a public speaking group today. Day 15 to 21. Record yourself. Recording yourself while practicing your speech can be a great way to improve your public speaking skills. By reviewing your own performance, you can identify areas that need improvement and work on developing a more engaging and confident delivery. It can be helpful to record both your audio and video so you can assess both your verbal and nonverbal communication. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and gestures, as these can make a big difference in how your speech is perceived by the audience. You can also check your posture, eye contact, and overall stage presence. Once you've recorded your speech, take some time to review it objectively. What went well and what could be improved? Are there any parts of your speech that feel awkward or unclear? Use this feedback to make adjustments and continue practicing until you're happy with your delivery. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each iteration you'll become a more confident and engaging public speaker. Day 22 to 28. Practice, practice, practice. We all know the saying, practice makes perfect, and it's never been more true than when it comes to public speaking. The more you practice your speech, the more comfortable and confident you'll become in delivering it. Start by practicing in front of a mirror so you can observe your body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Then practice in front of friends or family members and get their feedback. You can also practice in front of an empty room and imagine that you are speaking to a large crowd. As you practice, pay attention to your pacing, volume, and enunciation. Make sure you're speaking slowly enough for the audience to understand you and that you're projecting your voice so everyone can hear you. With enough practice, you'll be able to deliver a polished and professional speech that is sure to impress your audience. Don't let the fear of public speaking hold you back. Practice, 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 and watch your confidence soar. Day 29 to 30. Get feedback and reflect. Getting feedback is an essential part of the learning process. When you ask for feedback on your speech, you're able to get an outside perspective on what went well and what could be improved. This can help you to identify areas where you may need to work on your delivery, content, or overall presentation. One way to get feedback is by recording your speech and then watching it back objectively. This can help you to spot areas where you may have stumbled or lost the audience's attention. You can also ask trusted friends or colleagues to watch your speech and provide their honest feedback. In addition to getting feedback from others, it's also important to reflect on your own performance. Take some time after your speech to think about what went well and what could have been better. This can help you to see areas where you can improve and grow as a public speaker. Remember, becoming a confident and engaging public speaker takes time and practice, but with dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goals. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our 30-day plan to help you master public speaking. We hope that you've enjoyed this journey and that you're now ready to take on the world with your newfound skills. But before you go, we'd love to ask you for a favor. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. It's a simple way to show your support for our channel and help us reach more people with our mission to empower everyone to find their voice and speak with confidence. In addition, if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on any of our videos designed to help you become a better communicator and leader. We'd also love to hear from you. What are your tips for becoming a great public speaker? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you for joining us on this journey to becoming a more confident and effective communicator. We wish you all the best in your public speaking adventures. Until next time, keep practicing and never stop believing in your ability to speak with confidence and impact.